Hey, it's Jesse from Sava Press, and I'm back with another special presentation for my good friend Zachary McAllister. This new short story of his is called Weight of the Trigger, and this is part one. This is about a troubled young boy who is sitting alone in his room with a loaded rifle, and he's contemplating going to school and basically pulling a Columbine style attack. Um, but the way that Zach approaches this is really unique. First of all, his writing is getting better and better with each story. This is going to be his third published story so far. And he approaches it from a very psychological point of view, where so the kid is sitting there and it's almost like the angel on one shoulder, devil on the other. These voices in his head kind of talking to him and working out, why he's doing it, the consequences of doing it, should he not, and the voice of his conscience takes on the qualities of like this ethereal light, and then there's this growling darkness over in the corner, and the room that he's in, his bedroom, actually he kind of goes inside himself and the whole scene sort of shifts, so it's almost a very supernatural kind of take on this situation, which there's a lot of different ways that a lot of different writers could approach something like this, and it in no way, of course, glorifies school shootings or violence of any kind. It's just a character study and a breakdown of the psychology of why a child might feel that he's pushed to that point. And I think it's a really good story in that respect, and in the writing itself, which is the main thing, which is why I started Sava Press, because I wanted to publish good writing by good writers, and that of course makes good stories. So I really think this is an interesting and worthwhile story to read. Of course, link is in the description, and check it out. I know my buddy Zach will also be grateful. See you next time for part two.